Hi guys, if you are on a Windows 10 PC and have a small SSD on a C drive where your system is, this is probably the thing for you, or the video information for you. If you check on your System Explorer, you will see that during the last Windows system update a couple of days ago, the remaining free size of the C drive shrunk dramatically, and I am even I was on about 16 gigabytes only, and I was way above 20 gigabytes before, and that made me a little bit nervous, and I tried to find what it is, and this is what I have found. I have run the disk cleanup for C drive, and first I have been able to remove about 3 or 4 gigabytes of useless files, and unfortunately I cannot show you that anymore because it was in the user files. And now I have even been going further to the system files, and here I found even more files which we can delete, and the main thing is the Windows Update cleanup. Sometimes after Windows Update it's difficult to find these things, or they are hidden. This time it looks like it is well implemented in the cleanup, so you can delete some of these Windows Update files. That's 7 gigabytes, and there is even more. I think further down I have here temporary Windows installation files, another 1.5 gigabytes. So actually they say we can free update up to 13.1 gigabytes. I think I can't find them all. Here they are. Delete all system restore points. That's something which you should not delete, or not delete everything. You can maybe delete a few of them, but you have to go into the system restore point management thing. I'm not doing this here, so you can maybe delete a few restore points, but I wouldn't delete too much. It's a risky, that's your backup, that's your safety belt, that's your whatsoever. That's really important. Don't delete too much. At least you have to have one good restore point, so you can't just check mark that and delete everything. So I would highly recommend doing the temporary window installation file, and you can also download the program files. That's nothing, and we can remove that. Temporary internet files, it's not much. But definitely the Windows Update cleanup, and I will click on that, and it will probably take a while, as far as I can remember from previous times. Sometimes it took really long, maybe 10 minutes or so. Just be patient. If it takes very long, don't get nervous and cancel that. If you cancel that, it could be in the next cleanup it won't find these files anymore. So don't do that. Only do this cleanup when you have enough time. Let's say if you have at least half an hour or something. I don't know how long it will take. It could take quite long. So definitely do not cancel that. So it took the system about, or almost 1 hour, which is crazy, to get rid of these not needed system or installation files from the Windows 10 update. But finally I got my free space back. This is almost 10 gigabytes which I got back from system files and also other files which I have been cleaning on the C drive. So this is how this started a couple of days ago with this notification message on the bottom right side of the window. There's the message center. It popped up and said restart and update to stay in support for Windows 10 April 2018. That's the version. Update ends in November 2019. Restart to install a supported version of Windows. So you basically have no option to do anything else. You can just pick a time, maybe that means a little bit delay, restart tonight or restart now. And I didn't do anything, so obviously it was automatically installed overnight. And when I started my PC, I got a warning that I have low space available on C drive. So I investigated into that and I started the disk cleanup. So you can just do that with pressing the window key and start typing clean. That's usually already enough, and then you get this thing which you can click on that, and then you can run the normal disk cleanup, which is the not the system cleanup but the normal cleanup. And here I have already found about 3 or 4 gigabytes. Can't remember what it was. You have to be really careful not to delete things which you should not, or you don't want, or you still need. Usually Windows suggests only things to delete which you don't need anymore. I really can't remember what it was, so I deleted it and it was no problem. And after that, for the next run, you can select everything what you want to have delete and press OK, and it gets cleaned and the windows will close. So, but then you have to invoke the whole thing again, press window key and start typing clean, pick this cleanup tool, and then this time, instead of picking up things here, you go to clean up system files. That's it. And then you pick your system drive, and takes a couple of seconds, not too long, and it will show what you can clean up on the C drive or the drive which you have been selecting. So here you can see there's nothing, or it's just in the megabytes area, nothing left in the gigabyte area to delete, except of course the system restore point. The strange thing is that it shows 0 bytes for system restore points. Maybe it accidentally deleted them. I'll check on that, but anyway, for the moment I'm done with that. I got my space back, and that's it for now, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.